Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix door latch on Chevy Silverado full guide. Start by removing the door panel carefully and set fasteners aside in order. Disconnect linkage clips and test the latch operation before replacing parts. Inspect the latch for rust, broken springs, or stripped gears and clean with lubricant. Replace worn components, reassemble the panel, and test the door several times to confirm smooth, secure operation. Removing the door panel is straightforward if you follow a calm, step-by-step approach. Start by lowering the window slightly and removing visible screws from the armrest and handle. Pry the panel at the lower edge with a trim tool until clips release, then lift the panel to clear the window channel. Set the panel safely aside and keep screws together so reassembly is quick and painless. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. It pairs oddly well with fixing things and saving wisely. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Service the latch by testing both mechanical and electrical parts in a calm, clear manner. Disconnect the actuator and check wiring for continuity. Then operate the latch manually to see where it binds. Clean pivot points with a brush and apply appropriate lubricant to moving parts. Replace any broken springs, rods, or the entire latch assembly if wear prevents reliable engagement. Then reassemble and verify function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.